Welcome to High Quality Boots, and today I will show you the Hanwag Alaska GTX. This is probably what a lot of people have in mind when they think about doing trekking or when they think about mountains and stuff like that. So yeah, Hanwag is one of the big four German manufacturers besides Meindl, Hikes and Lova. And this boot uses a so-called one-piece construction that uses fewer seams in order to make the whole thing more waterproof and stable. Even though, I mean, here you see that there are different parts sewn together. You have a very nice flex area here, different leather over here. It's a super heavy duty construction. One boot weighs 1050 grams. The sizing in Hanwag is a bit different. So in Hikes I have a UK 10.5 and the equivalent in Hanwag is 11.5, so one size bigger. Yeah, they have a very massive Vibram sole, and so this is a category B/C boot, so that means you can use it with crampons. In terms of lacing, nothing new. I have to say the quality, especially of the speed lacing hooks, so this is really like quite thin metal, as you can see here. And I'm also not a big fan of these locking eyelets here. I think they're a bit difficult to use. Besides that, a super heavy duty construction. Very nice thick leather here on the tongue, the Gore-Tex lining. And what I also really like is that they use leather also here on the inside. And there is also a non-Gore-Tex version, so where this here should be also completely made out of leather. And I think, therefore, I think Hanwag is one of the few German manufacturers that's actually doing something like that. I think what is also quite unique about them that is they have this very iconic massive rubber band that goes around the whole shoe. And actually I'm not sure if this is rubber because it's very thick. Doesn't feel like rubber, feels more like plastic. Yeah, very massive. And I don't really know how old this particular pair is. I would guess less than 10 years. But on this area here, when I do this, I have some, whatever it is, on my fingers, rubber, so it feels like it's deteriorating or it starts to dissolve. Even so, here the sole and everything is quite in good conditions. Yeah, for sure they can be resold. They're also quite pricey, so I think they're now around 350 euros. Yeah, and I think in general, like, Hanwag is a bit more expensive than the other ones. I mean, Meindl also, for sure, removable insoles. And yeah, like I said at the beginning, probably that's what people think about when they think about a real hiking boot that you will wear in the mountains. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.